Bale, isa ito sa mga department store dito. Moose on the Loose. Papasok tayo. So, nandito na tayo sa loob at ito yung makikita natin. Yan, nakita nyo yung display kasi marami niyan dito. Yan, moose. Dito naman yung section ng coffee mugs o yung pangkapihan na iba-iba ang kulay, iba-iba ang laki. Kaya depende na lang sa mamimili kung ano ang magugustuhan niya. Lalapit tayo sa cashier. And here's the cashier. Yeah.
Thank you.
My name is Jinsi. What's yours?
It's Anastasia.
Anastasia. So
From Russia.
Are you a native of this city?
From Russia.
I'm from Russia. So how long you been living here?
Oh my gosh, 10 years.
10 years. So came from Russia. What's part of Russia?
Oh, it's a small town. It's
Small town.
Yeah.
It's
Where
not-
is it from? Oh, and originally?
Yeah.
Oh, how amazing.
Yeah, I came here in 1996 in California.
That's cool. Well, thank you for
Yeah.
visiting us.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Ito naman yung mga sombrero, sabi natin, o hat. Ito, namimili kami ng mga panlamig kasi malapit na rin ang winter. Ayan. Bale, ito na yung napili naming mugs o yung pangkapihan.